So alright guys, as you can see right here, this is our second day of trading. We are around $100 profits. You can see clean trade.
Alright guys, today you're gonna be trading live and direct with me. How much can $100 bring to the table today? Because I just credited my account with $100, right? Just credited my account with $100, and let's see how much it will bring to the table. So for the analysis to how I'm going to be placing my trade, this is the exact time that I used to get into the market though, but let's see how it goes right here and direct. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button, join my Telegram community. The link is at the description. If you want one-on-one mentorship, you know what to do. The link is also at the description. Or you want to send me a WhatsApp message, whatsoever thing you want to do, the link is also at the description. So taking off trade, if we lose, fine. If we win, fine. If we were able to make some color of money with the $100 that we are going to be putting into today's market, fine. Let's see how it's really gonna turn up. Don't forget, I'm James Gides, and all we do here is trading, psychology, finance, so how to actually make some color of money. So for that being said, let's jump right into it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, very, very important. Don't forget to smash the like button, very, very important. So now, as I showed you guys earlier, I just credited my account with $100, and we really need to see how much this thing will possibly bring out. Let's say we need to reach like 3% or 2% of our trading account. Very, very important, right? Even if we are here to see how much we can possibly make today, but we also have to be careful on how much we're putting in the market or how much we are possibly risking. We're going to take this analysis together and see where the market is possibly taking us to today. Transparency, clean and direct. There's nothing like we want to hurry to make some color of cash. No. Here is our currency pair for today. This is gold. Value gap is marked. This is change of character, and this is my key level where the market is right now. So if you see right here, these are the key zone where the market is right now. Okay, so this is break of structure, change of character, and we have fair value gap around here. Now let's move down to 1 hour time frame. What do you think about this market right now? Drop it at the comment section. Is it going to sell, or is it going to rise back around this side? Still drop it at the comment section, right? That's what we're here together. Right? What is this market possibly doing? Drop it at the comment section. Very, very important. If it is going to buy, drop it at the comment section before we get to take the trade, right? So this 30-minute time frame, and as you can see right here, it has created a fair value gap over here around 30-minute time frame, right? That's created a fair value gap around here, around 30-minute time frame, and we can see a massive rejection in 30-minute time frame. That is possibly telling us that the market we keep pulling down, right? The market will keep pulling down from this level right here. And another one, let's mark out this particular level right here to see where we are. Okay, So now at this point, what do you think about the market around 30-minute time frame? What do you think about the market around 50-minute time frame? So the market is kind of confused. The market is going to pull back down, right? The market is going to pull down, then choose to pull back up, but we don't know yet. This is a high rejection, and if you come over here, you will see another high rejection right here. Let me bring out the mark. As you can see, this is a high rejection, right? A serious week right there. And if you can see, let's get down to 50-minute time frame to see what the market is doing. So now, in conclusion of what the market is doing, what do you think the market will do right here? Because this is good, and the way it is, it has touched our key level. So I know that the market is going to pull up, but even if it's going to pull up, it's way above where we are supposed to get into the market. Because anything that makes you to get into the market around this side, you're going to put your stop loss around this side. For instance, we are going long around this side. You're going to put your stop loss. Let's say you're going to take your profit right here, right? Don't be greedy. And you're going to put your stop loss right here, because it has possibly left us. So it doesn't make sense. So we need to just wait for it to a little bit to do 1 or 2 retests. Then we can jump into the market. So that one is done. So now let's get to Euro USD. So here we are in Euro USD. In one of my videos that I did, I show us the currency pairs that are moving in the same direction. You can watch the video up here, right? These currency pairs are moving in the same direction. Sometimes, right? Sometimes Euro USD, BP USD, gold, silver, these currency pairs are moving in the same direction, right? These currency pairs are moving in the same direction. And the video is right here. if you want to know if the currencies that are moving in the same directions and the currency that are not moving in the same direction, you can possibly go and watch the video. That will possibly help you. Now let's continue with the analysis before we get into the market, and we need to get all the way to 4 hour time frame. And this is our 4 hour time frame, right? This is our 4 hour time frame. So what do you think about this market right here? Because this is our key zone. Break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, get to retest, and it's pulling back up. And this is our key zone over here. And this point, we are break of structure, we are break of structure, we are break of structure. So all we want right here is for this price to eventually possibly get all the way up here to retest it and get back. So if we are buying Euro USD, automatically we are also buying gold, we are automatically buying GBP USD. You know, that's why I see sometimes they move together. Okay, 30-minute time frame. Now all we need to do right here is to wait for this price to hit on our fair value gap. Now let's get down to 15-minute time frame, because that is where I always take my trade. You don't need to rush it, right? You don't need to rush it, because we don't know what the price will do around this side. Because even if the price will do one or two things around this side, we still have a fake value gap right here. There's still a chance that it's going to hit one of these and push back down. So we're not taking any trade for now. So guys, I just see an opportunity right now, right? Need to get into this market. I see an opportunity that is going to get down to retest this particular level for a higher time frame. Have to retest that level before it keep pushing up. That is me. That's my target. So I just get in. Okay, let me show you guys where I get into this trade from. Go shorts, right? Get into from this level. My stop loss, right? My stop loss and my take profit around this side. So, you know, we are going to go with percentage, right? Whatever it gives us, we take it, right? And if it can give us like $10 from $100, so as you can see right here, I'm in profit. So we need to wait to see what the market will do. That's all we. So possibly this, my stop loss is high, but I'm going to close it a little bit. So just leave it like that because of the fair value gap of the thing. Whatever it gives us, then fine, we're in, right? We're in, and we're not going to be greedy. So for that, I think just have to start my day. See right here, we are around $4, $5 profit, right? Around $4 to $5 profit. So it's right here, we're around almost $6 profit, but it will get to a position where, so it will get to a position that I will add, it will get to a place that I will add more positions. So let's possibly fly this high, or let's possibly see how much it will be able to make. So once it's like $10, I'm gonna close this trade, right? Because we really need to work with percentage. We really need to work with percentage. You don't just trade because you want to trade. You're trading, right? Because you are not in charge of the market, right? So you have to work with percentage. So we stay here. You can see my trade live and direct. That's how we do it right here. Do it right here. Because it's $100. Let's see how much we're gonna make, right? So let me show you the history. This other $1 that you see right here, it was a mistake, so I have to close it, right? It was a mistake, but I have to close it. So let's see what the market will do. We're here. Because I'm seeing so many liquidity. I'm seeing so many liquidity here, right? But no, just have to wait. Have to wait. So as you can see right now, I don't know what to do again, right? But I don't want to be glued to the chat. I don't want to be glued to the chat, and I want to live my life, right? I want to live my life. But so let me show you guys something and show you guys the profit. You can see right here, we are around $11, right? We are around $11 and the price is pulling down, right? So now that if you don't want to be selfish, you can choose to take your profit right here, just the percentage that you want, right? So that's just us. So that's just us. We're mostly indoors. So I don't know if you have a girlfriend and you're a trader, I don't know how you guys cope. If you're an extrovert, right, and you're a trader, you're really gonna love it. But immediately you become a trader, it will humble you to start staying inside. So let's just see how the stuff goes. $120 profit if possible. So we're waiting for it to get to our first take profit. Let's see how it's going to be. Our first take profit is very important. So $21, $21, $22. We're in. We're in. So I'm going to take my profit right here. You know, we're risking small, but close, right? There is still a momentum around that side, but we're not going to be greedy, close all positions. So we end up around $119. So our profit is $19, right? So now we have to wait, right? We have to wait for the market to be clear again, right? To possibly know where the market is going to, because this is 15-minute time frame before we can jump into the trade. So let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD is telling us that the price is going up. So guys, this is where we are right now. And let's see what the market will do. So this is my second trade that I'm entering for today, right? This is the second trade I'm entering for today. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So guys, this is our second trade for today. So as you can see right here, let me show you. So as you can see right here, we are around $10 profit. Let me show you the previous one so that you know that everything is clean, right? So this is around $10 profit. So I'm gonna close this trade for now. Yeah, I'm gonna close this trade, close all position. That is, we are around $130. You can see right here, right? $131. So as you can see, I told you guys that be taking your profit in percentage. Don't be greedy, right? Don't be greedy. So we took $100 to $131. So all right guys, as you can see right here, this is our second day of trading. We are around $100 profit, $120 profit. Now we are not going to be greedy, as I said earlier. This is good. We are not going to be greedy earlier, so we're going to be closing this market right now. We're going to do bulk close, and we're going to close all positions. No problem. Jesus Christ, I thought it brought us down to almost $60, but nevertheless, as you can see, from $100 to $244, right? Clean trade. Okay, let me show you the history so that it will not be as if I want to do something. As you can see, clean. That first trade that I closed was a mistake, right? As you can see, clean trade from the $100 that we put. As you can see, deposit $100, our profit $144, right? And balance $244. Right now, who am I giving the money to? Right? Who am I giving the money to? So drop it at the comment section. So from $100 to $244 in 2 days trading. So nobody should tell you that trading is a scam. Trading is never a scam. So you can do the same. It's just consistency. Even if I don't have big investors yet, even if I don't have larger capital yet, as people think, but I know that we can make this happen. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And if you want me to credit your account, right? If you want the money, right? Drop it at the comment section. Possibly we might do giveaway. So peace out. Don't forget to smash the like button. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.